Are you ready to make this cute Valentine's Day heart card with me? All right, here we go. Grab your number 6 round brush, your acrylic paints, and any Amazon packaging. Paint that white, and here we go. All right, I'm going to slow this down a little bit so I can show you this easy technique. Load up your brush, put the tip down, smush it, and lift it up. Smush and lift. Ready? Tip down, smush, lift. Tip down, smush, and lift. You don't need to rinse the brush. You can always go back, fill in a little curve if you need to, but don't worry about washing out the color every time because that kind of adds to these fun little hearts. So here we go. Tip down, smush, lift, smush, lift. That point is down. And see how these come out? They're super fun. Don't worry if they're wonky. They're meant to be because we're going to cut them out later on in the end. I have all my craft paints from Michaels and I'll list them in the description for you down below. All right, once we're done with that, we're going to dry, 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 dry. And now I'm going to take my Sharpie S gel and do quick outlines of each heart. So super quick, doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be messy. Just keep going. This will work over the paint. And next, yep, that's right. You're going to cut out all these little hearts, leave some edges, and look how cute they are. All right, here's where we start making the card. You're going to find a heart, put it in the middle, add just a little bit of glue to the tip of the end, just like that, a little tip, and you're going to overlap them, but you're not going to glue the entire heart down. Nope, you're just going to snuggle those in there, and I'll let you just fill in on this and watch how I fill up this card. So there's no need to worry about how much you put in or what direction you go. You just do what is pleasing to your eyes. All right, for this part, I'm just going to add a little thread of glue. I have some of my hearts that I punched out little holes, and I find it's easier to take some tweezers and put them on this line of glue. Now I use the crocodile to punch these out so they're a little bit smaller, but you can use any hole punch that you have. Just take them all along the edge underneath the hearts. You could do this on the side, on the top, wherever you want to go. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of finishing touch and just put these little XOs, XOs. Feel free to do this or not, it's up to you, but it's fun either way. Now I'm going to add just a little finishing touch, this little eyelet that I'm going to put in the hole that I did with my crocodile. And then on the top, I'm going to put it in there, squish it so that it stays. And then I'm going to add a cute little ribbon and we're done. All right, my friends, don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll see you back with some more fun.